Hello, today I'm going to show you a fast, simple, and effective acupuncture point for those with forgetfulness. If you have trouble remembering things and you're looking for a safe, natural remedy, then the Forgetfulness Miracle Point might just be the thing you're looking for. The Forgetfulness Miracle Point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up in usual acupuncture charts. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. To access quick reference guides that make locating acupuncture points easier, see the directions in the description below. The Forgetfulness Miracle Point is located on your lower leg. To find the Forgetfulness Miracle Point, locate the spot that is in the center of your ankle in line with the space between your second and third toes, like this. It'll be at the level of the ankle bones. Now find the spot that is the width of 2 thumbs above that, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the Forgetfulness Miracle Point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate the Forgetfulness Miracle Point on your other leg. If you have trouble remembering things, I suggest that you find and activate the Forgetfulness Miracle Point 3 times a day for 30 days for fast results, then use it as needed thereafter. For more help with memory, see my course, New Hope for Alzheimer's. I've included a link in the description section below. And if you know someone who is having memory problems, I encourage you to share this video with them. It is intended to improve memory and just might produce a miracle. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for health naturally.